If you're looking for a little spa experience right at home, you're gonna love these MAREE Collagen face masks from MAREE. I'm Alicia with WTI, and these masks feel like a little luxury experience right in my bathroom. These masks are full of amazing ingredients like hyaluronic acid, pearl and algae extracts, and MAREE collagen for a deeply nourishing and hydrating effect. This pack came with 6 masks, and first of all, bonus points for the super cute sea creatures that are printed on the mask. I just love that. You simply open a packet, unfold the mask, and apply it. Then you just get to relax and chill for 20 minutes for your mini spa time at home. The mask is so soft and it's saturated with this very lovely serum that just soaks into your skin, leaving your face soft, hydrated, and glowing. After using these masks, I really noticed the increased hydration. My skin felt firmer and tighter and so soft. I would definitely recommend this to anyone looking for a quality face mask to add to their routine, and that's my point of view.